Hi, this is Mihnia. In this episode of Learn Mongolian, my Mongolian friend and Olympic archer Gangtus Jansan will teach you how to count from 70 to 80 in Mongolian. Let's begin the lesson. $70, $71, $72, $73, $74, $75, $76, $77, $78, $79, $80. And that's the end of our Learn Mongolian lesson. If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe for more. And let us know in the comment section below how far are you with your Mongolian studies. Salut! This is Mihnia. Travel more. Live life.